Okay, so I'm back for another taste test video. Today I'm gonna be tasting my very first 7-Up Shirley Temple something pomegranate and cherry soda. Never, well, no, absolutely no caffeine in it. So, I'm gonna pour a sample in the glass. Very cherry colored. Probably because this isn't no ordinary 7-Up. Pretty okay. Doesn't taste very much. Better than Dr. Pepper still. Well, not too bad. Pomegranate was not my kind of thing. Though I did like the cherry part. And not too sweet either. All in all, I sort of recommend this one. Well, that's it for today. See you later.